Lord, when you pull back on the reins. Death can be the result of the most underrated pain. Satan whispers to you, well, I don't wanna bore you, but when you get tired of me so-and-so, I got another woman for you. Trouble in mind, Lord, trouble in mind, Lord. Take away this trouble in mind. When the deeds that you do don't add up to zero, it's what's inside that counts. Ask any war hero. You think you can hide, but you're never alone. Ask Lord what he thought when his wife turned to stone. Trouble in mind, Lord, trouble in mind. Lord, take away this trouble in mind. Here comes Satan, prince of the power of the air. He's gonna make you a law unto yourself, gonna build a bird's nest in your hair. He's gonna deaden your conscience till you worship the work of your own hands. You'll be serving strangers in a strange, forsaken land. Trouble in mind, Lord, trouble in mind, Lord. Take away this trouble in mind. Caught you where you don't belong. You say, baby, everybody's doing it, so I guess it can't be wrong. The truth is far from you, so you know you got to lie. Then you're all the time defending what you can never justify. Trouble in mind, Lord, trouble in mind, Lord. Take away this trouble in mind. They still want to be the boss. They can't relate to the Lord's kingdom. They can't relate to the cross. They self-inflict punishment on their own broken lives. Put their faith in their possessions, in their cars or their wives. Trouble in my Lord, trouble in my Lord. Take away this trouble in mind. Over, it'll be like a puff of smoke. How long must I suffer, Lord? How long must I be provoked? Satan will give you a little taste, then he'll move in with rapid speed. Lord, keep my blind side covered, see that I